Hi, I'm Mike. Today I'm going to show you how to play "BADFISH" by Sublime. It's a great beginner song, so let's get started, all right? So it starts out with an intro with an A chord up here on the 2nd fret. You take your middle finger, you put it on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger, and you put it on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you put your small finger here on the 2nd fret of the B string. Then it slides into a B, where you bar the 2nd fret. You put your 3rd finger down here on the D string on the 4th fret, your pinky on the 4th fret of the G string, and your middle finger you want to put on the B string here. So you got this. Then it slides into a G. So you're going to put your middle finger on the E string on the 3rd fret, your 2nd finger, or your 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Then you're going to put your 3rd finger down here on the 3rd fret and your 4th finger on the 3rd fret of the B and the E. It goes. Then it does it again. On the end of the 2nd time, it just does this. Just ends on that A chord. Then it slides down to an A chord bar chord, okay? Where you're barring the 5th fret, putting your 3rd finger here on the 7th fret on the A string, your 4th finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your middle finger on the G string on the 6th fret. Then it starts doing what they call skanking, which is what the reggae sort of a feel to it goes. Then it slides up 2 frets to a B, and then you lift up your middle finger, so you just have, you go. So you just have your barring the 7th fret, you got your ring finger on the 9th fret and your pinky on the 9th fret down here. You slide it way back up to the 3rd fret like this, and you put this middle finger back down on the G string on the 4th fret. And you slide back up to that A. So it goes. And then there's a part where you're gonna play this. That's going to be a bar on the 5th fret, and then you're going to lay your 3rd finger across these 3 strings. That's a D chord. So it's going to go into this here. Then back to that A chord. Then it slides up 2 frets to the D chord, to the E chord. And all that is you just take that D chord, you slide both fingers up 2 frets to the 9th, to the 7th, and the 9th here, okay? Then it goes back to the original part. So that's the basis of that song. That's the chords. And it's really neat. If you like to play reggae, or you would like to learn how to play some reggae, that's actually a good way to get started, because the chords are pretty simple, and you get that good reggae feel to it. So I hope you got something from this. It's a great beginner song, and if you would, if you liked it, give us like our channel, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this helps you to become a better guitar player. Thank you.